In last week's episode, we arrived at the Mundi Plains, ready for the Mundi Mundi Bash.
Hey, Mundi!
This week, as promised, we are showing you what this epic festival is all about. Plus, we'll show you another couple of awesome free camps worth visiting on the way home. Alright, it's that time of the day, guys. We're going to do a cocktail.
Yeah.
Slushy machine is out. What are we going to do?
Well,
The slushy hidey hole.
yeah. We've got lots of juices. We've got some lemonade. I don't know, do we go milky or not milky?
Oh, I don't
Know.
mind.
I suck at making decisions. So,
Let's go pina colada.
okay, done. Pineapple juice.
This time, I actually bought like a Malibu, a knockoff Malibu. So, we're going to have a proper one this time, eh? Will it slash?
Hope so. I put a lot of rum in there.
That looks good.
Oh, look at it. Just in case I put a ton of rum in here, I'll just make it a small one. That's tasty.
Can't go wrong, can you?
Could use a little bit more coconut if you ask me, but still good.
So while in Kmart today, Erin made a purchase. We've wanted one of these for ages, but we just haven't done it. Oh, I thought you were pulling it out then.
Oh no, I'm just turning it over, but it makes these little toasted sandwich things here. I'll quickly show you.
The microwave sandwich toasty.
Yeah, $6.
Now, we know this is not new to anyone. These have been around a while, but we just haven't bought one yet.
No.
But look at it. Look at that.
It made it look so good. And then you get all like this delicious cheese that melts. That's what you want in a toasty.
So good. So as it turns out, there's actually bands playing today. We had no idea, eh, babe?
I knew.
Oh, well, she knew. I didn't.
I'm pretty sure I said it.
Oh, well, I thought you said when that place was going to be full tomorrow, that meant bands were tomorrow. Anyway, that's what happens
It's full today.
when you don't do research. You know nothing. Anyway, look at our nice little cart. Check it out. Give it a model, Erin. So apparently that's the hot tip. You got to have a cart or a trolley or something. Bring your drinks in because it's all BYO. So pick this thing up for a bit of a hefty price on the way here. Anyway.
And then we got here and Broken Hill and sold for 40.
Yeah. Anyway, glad we got it. Let's go in.
Yes.
Yep.
Hey, Mundi.
This festival has something for everyone. Pre-music entertainment, camel rides, a petting zoo, and even a talent show.
What I like most, and you might not have seen it, is 1 second before that he's sitting there like this. You want to chuck a backy?
A big shout out to our Essential and Design RV family for having us along at this event.
I don't think we've ever had to choreograph a tea pole before. Do you want Miss Layla to hold it?
Over the 3 days of the event, there are 3 fundraising activities to get involved in. The Nutbush World Record, the Big Blue Day, and the Mundi Mundi Run, all raising money for charity. Guys, this event has been absolutely amazing, hasn't it?
It has been so much fun, and they have honestly thought of everything. It's so well organised.
It's really good. So if you've been thinking about it and going, oh, should I go out there? 100%. Put it on your list.
Oh, it's an adventure. It's really cool.
Yeah, so glad we made the dash to get out here. Today's the day, though, that I'm going to annoy everyone within about 100 metres of us, because I'm putting the smoker on. It's funny. I'll give this to you, Erin. Everyone we've met here has said, what are you smoking?
Yeah.
And then I've got to go, what? Smoking? Oh, the smoker. Yeah, gotcha. So what we're going to do is a pork collar butt. This is just a big slab of pork, and Meat at Billy's has already pre-marinated this one for me. So all I've got to do is slap it in, and I reckon like 6 odd hours, and it's going to be painful for everyone around, because that smoker, just the smell goes everywhere, travels with the smoke. Anyway, we'll slap this on, and then we can get down there, watch some bands and stuff, because there've been some incredible acts here. Absolutely amazing. And then, we'll come back later on, and I reckon, bread rolls or not bread rolls, because you can't have bread rolls. Coleslaw, and what are you having with it?
I don't know.
Potatoes.
I was thinking we could do like a loaded fries maybe or something.
Yeah, we might have to do something like that. Jeez, I keep forgetting about you. Anyway, pork will be good.
Several song-filled hours later.
Righto, so that pork has been on for how long would you say, Erin? 4 hours? Yeah, lost track of time, to be honest, with all the bands playing and stuff. It's cooking really well. So I'm an absolute idiot, though. I forgot to bring any butcher's paper or alfoil. We ran out of alfoil, and because I want to wrap it. You want to keep that moisture in when you're smoking it. So I've asked everyone we know here, and luckily Ben and Ange had some alfoil. So thank you so much, guys. They gave us the whole roll. So I've wrapped it. It's going to sit in there for another however long until it hits temperature. So it's going to be delicious. It smells delicious. But we're going to go back, see some more bands, and then we'll come back and have a feed.
Sounds good.
Alright guys, let me tell you a story. The story is this has cooked for a long time.
We got distracted. We got distracted by all the cool bands and stuff that are on today, and then we went to the Essential bar
area
and hung out with everyone. So yeah,
and
it's definitely had its time.
Everyone we spoke to today, once again, thank you very much.
Yes.
Absolutely amazing talking to all of you. But this has cooked for 9 hours. We've had multiple beers, which you can tell.
You probably can tell, yes. Oh my gosh, look at it. That's perfect.
That is incredible.
That is perfect. Hot? Bit hot?
Oh my god. Turn it around so.
Oh yeah. That is some good
Wowzers.
Good pork. Anyway, I don't know if Alex ended up telling you, but he just did also some potatoes on the smoker. We've bought a coleslaw, but found out it didn't actually come with any dressing, so we don't have any mayo, so we're just going to do it with a chipotle mayo. I really don't think when you this many beers in, it can go wrong. So don't judge us for drinking. We don't have children. We're at a music festival. We've been pretty good, haven't we?
Yeah.
We're going to go and try and find some friends later, and yeah. It's been an epic time. If you haven't got Mundi Mundi on your list, absolutely do it. It's been an epic time.
guys, it is 5:30 on the Sunday, rollout day, and apparently, well, this is why we're up at 5:30, because apparently the line to get out of here gets absolutely out of control. So, what we got, oh jeez, I shouldn't be up this early. So we're gonna go, we got everything packed up yesterday, we're gonna roll over, try to get in this line, and see how long it takes to get out of here.
I can hear cars on already,
Yeah.
literally waiting to drive out at 6.
Crazy. And that's the queue, guys. We're sitting here and gonna wait now. It's 5 to 6. Apparently the gates open at 6.
Road up.
Alright, we'll let you know. See how long it takes. Half an hour from lining up to getting out onto the bitumen, guys. Pretty damn good.
Yeah.
I think we got real lucky with what row we were in though, because they're just letting them out row at a time. But yeah, well done. Like, that's a big effort to try to maneuver everyone out of the campsite. All right, let's hit it. We've got a lot of Ks to make. Righto, guys. So yesterday was a massive day for us, and we were absolutely buggered.
Yes.
700 odd Ks.
Yep.
Through what, Cobar, and then out the Burke.
Yeah.
Then we stayed at this place that we just left, Maze Bend.
Yep.
Pretty damn nice spot.
Really nice, actually. Lots of vans there, which was surprising, because on your way in it doesn't look like it's going to be much, but then it just opens into this beautiful like campground area. It's amazing.
Yeah. So it's on the Darling River. That's the bend of the river there after it's named. And there's some beautiful spots down there on the water, but with that many people here, you got to be in early to get those spots.
Yeah.
But that's part of traveling, eh? Like, if you don't get to camp early enough, you don't get the primo spots. Still a beautiful spot though. Got pretty cold last night.
It did, and there were a couple of emus floating around this morning.
There were. It was cool. We couldn't really get shots of them though, because they were quite far away.
They ran away as soon as the car turned on. We didn't realise that they were so close, but still fun.
So we'll push on another, I don't know how many Ks today. We'll do quite a few. We've only got a couple of days left to get home.
Yeah, I think we're trying to get to Gootchie.
Yeah, I was looking.
How do you say it? I don't know. Gootchie.
Gootchie?
I don't know.
One of them. Or neither of them, I don't know. I was looking too, Moree. We could go towards Moree.
Yes.
Anyway.
We'll see. Yeah,
this is what happens.
Yeah, we've got to be home on Tuesday, so that's what, 2 days from now.
No, it's tomorrow.
Yeah, it's tomorrow, but 2 more driving days. So, yeah, we'll see how we go. Geez, I tell you what, on this drive from Burke to, we've just passed Brewerina. My goodness, I have trouble saying that word. Brewerina. There is so many emus, hey?
Like herds of them almost. We were wondering whether they're emu farms or not, but then we were going, are there even emu farms?
I know, and if there were emu farms, why are people farming emus? Is it to eat, or is it for something else that, I don't know, their feathers or something? I'm not sure. So
feather farm?
Well, I saw someone making like earrings and stuff out of it at Mundi. So,
very cool.
Yeah. So yeah, if you know if it's emu farms or if they're just like a ton of wild emus around this area, let us know in the comments, please.
What do you reckon of this joint?
Yeah, this is nice. It's like a big, nice, grassy, green area.
It's beautiful. So this is the fishing club of this town, which we will say the name of in a minute, and there's a reason why I haven't yet. So what we were doing, guys, well, we're just out of Moree.
Yeah.
So we did the big drive, 500 odd K, something like that, to Moree. There's not many places in Moree itself, free camps.
And the ones that we found were on rivers, but they've obviously had a lot of rain around here lately.
Yeah.
So all of those ones are kind of underwater.
Where you would camp is literally underwater. So we drove into a couple, just wasn't happening. And then we saw this one on Wiki, but we drove past it, and as we went past, we went, oh,
Yeah.
that looks all right.
We're on our way to another one, and we were like, oh, I just read the reviews, and I was like, there's a pub up the road, which they reckon is like a 5-star
Very
experience.
flash looking.
So,
Not flash, like a very awesome country pub.
yeah, like the owners have done a lot of work to make it something that people want to come to. So
In such a small town. Now, this town is called Palalawa.
that's not how it is. That's not how I would say it. Blah, 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 blah.
All right, go. How do you say it?
Palamalawa. Palamalawa?
Palawalama. Palamamala?
Pamela Anderson?
Parmajama. Anyway, it's got a name that we can't say. But
It's a lot of letters.
it's so this is a free camp. Apparently it's got really good amenities, but like always we don't use them, we just use the van. And we're right on the River Creek.
The River Creek.
We're high up on the bank, so this place hasn't been flooded. There is a bit of mud out the front of us, but it's all dried up now. This is a beautiful spot. I tell you what, we've really had such good weather doing all this outback New South Wales stuff.
And found some epic free camps, I reckon, this time around.
We've said it before, we love it in the outback. Like outback Queensland, outback New South Wales. So many awesome towns and just good free camps, and I just really like it.
Yeah, definitely worth checking out.
Yeah. Anyway, we're going to hang out here for a bit and then head into this pub, the Pally pub. See, they were smart enough to not call it the Pamela Mamala pub. They were like,
no
no
one
one
can
can
say
say
it."
that. Let's just call it the Pally pub. Well, guys, we had an amazing meal last night at the Pally pub.
We did. It was really good. That place is so cool. They've put in so much work there, so it's definitely worth checking out if you're ever in that area.
Yeah, Moree area, head out there. It's beautiful. That's us though. We've just pulled up in a little town called North Star, fueled up.
Got some coffees at the Vicarage Cafe.
Yeah, beautiful little spot. We're going to head the 500 odd Ks home now.
Yes, excited to see the kids, but that's it for this trip.
Yep, so thank you very much for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you next week somewhere.
Somewhere on the road.